see. There used to be metal awnings and all these awnings is just
old cardboard now.
old cardboard, yep. Trees. Look at the trees down in this orchard.
So much firewood. Rows of firewood there.
Imagine how many years he took to plant them and get them to grow.
Years. Years.
Stop for just a minute right in here, Daddy. Just look back through there at the Minio. You can't see now. But just right there where that one patch was oodles of pecan trees just down.
I was about to say, if he had a horse herd or something, somebody had a horse that had a broke leg.
Got that
They
barn.
post.
Probably did. Got a lot of animals that's still missing. People can't even find their pets. I keep posting every time I see somebody post their pets. Posting on my page.
Yeah, I've never seen nothing like this. Lamb Road.